going to show you today how I put together my sausage, potato, and cabbage soup. And it's wonderful. So I've got sausage, smoked sausage. I've got, well, that's like a good medium-sized head of cabbage in this bowl. I've got potatoes, and I'm using red potatoes. I've got a medium onion in here. And I've got, for my seasoning, I've got some Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, parsley, and bay leaves. So, with that, we'll get going. Let me get my pan heated up and I'll be right back. Friends, I'm back and I put just a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of my pan. With that, I'm going to put my sausages in there. And we're going to get them a little bit of sauteing just to give them a little bit of color here. A couple of them stuck together. I didn't cut them all the way through. There we go. Okay. We're just going to let that cook a little bit. And I saute everything before I put it into soup. So, everything tastes better when it's sauteed first. And especially in your soups. I just love it that way. Okay, so we're going to get that sauteing, and when that's done, it's all you do is just let it go for a few minutes. And then when it's done, I'll be back and we'll take it out of the pan. Okay, friends, I'm back, and this is sauteed for a few minutes. And it's all set to come out of there, so I'm going to just take it out of here and put it in this bowl here. Alright, set that aside. I'm going to turn my burner down a little bit. Put just a dot more oil in it. Alright, and now I'm going to put my onions and my potatoes in there. And I'm going to saute them up. Now, I'm going to put my cabbage in here so that wilts down real good. Looks like a lot, but it'll wilt down. Okay, so I'm going to let that go for a little bit. I'm going to stir it up good, and then when it's all set, I'll be back. Hey friends, I'm back, and my cabbage has wilted down quite a bit. So now I can put the rest of my goodies in here. So I'm going to put my sausage back in here, and I'm going to put about a good tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And the same with some of my parsley. Nice bunch in there. You can certainly use fresh parsley if you want. Put a couple of my, oh here actually, a couple nice bay leaves in there. And you know, I'm going to use some of my house blend because that has my garlic and everything in it. So that's all going in there. Then I've got 2 quarts of chicken broth. I have to put it in there kind of slow. That should just about do it. Look at there. Alright, that is wonderful. Get that mixed up. Push a bay leaf down in there. And that's just going to simmer like that. I'm just going to let it simmer for about a good hour. I'm going to turn it down, put the lid on it, and just let it simmer. That's wonderful. That's going to turn out fantastic. So, it's that simple, friends. And the same with pretty much anything I cook. You can add to it, take away from it, change it all around. It doesn't matter. It's wonderful. So I'm going to put my lid on here. I'm going to turn my burner down to low. That's a little warm. And I'm going to let that simmer for about an hour. And when I dish it up, I'll come back and show you how it looks. Okay, friends, I am back. I got to set this in my sink. And our soup is done, and look at how beautiful. Oh, there's our bay leaf. Yes, you do want to take these out before you serve it because they're just not very pleasant to bite into. So look at there. That is beautiful. It turned out wonderful, and it smells delicious. Okay, I am going to serve a little dish up for myself. This is a nice lunch. Look at how beautiful that looks. Alrighty. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to make sausage, potato, and cabbage soup. What a wonderful meal for a cold day. So there you are. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go enjoy my lunch.